Welcome to Mahfil Studio, your space to share, connect, and inspire. In this guide, we'll show you how to upload your videos properly and get them ready to reach your audience. Step 1. Upload content. Let's begin. Hover over to the top right corner of the screen and click the Upload Content button. Step 2. Upload file. Now, either drag and drop your video file, or click the Browse option to select a file from your device. Don't worry about large files, Mahfil allows uploads up to 50 GB. Step 3. Add video title. Next, enter a meaningful video title that clearly reflects the content. Keep your title within 60 characters, or about 6 to 10 words. Step 4. Upload thumbnail. Upload a custom thumbnail that's eye-catching and relevant to your video. A good thumbnail increases clicks and engagement. The ideal ratio is 16:9, with recommended sizes like 640x360 or 1920x1080 pixels. Step 5. Write description. Now, write a detailed and engaging description. This helps your viewers understand the context of your video. A good description is around 120 to 200 words. Step 6. Choose category. After that, select the appropriate video category. Choosing the right category helps improve search visibility and increases audience engagement. Step 7. Set video status. Next, choose the video status. You'll see two options, public and private. We recommend selecting public so that everyone can discover and watch your video. Step 8. Add tags, keywords. Now, add relevant tags or keywords. These improve discoverability through search and recommendations, so make sure they relate to your content. Step 9. Add to playlist, optional. If you already have a playlist, you can assign your video to it now, or do it later if you prefer. Step 10. Final review and publish. Take a moment to review all the details you've entered. Once everything looks good, click Publish, then confirm again by selecting the Publish It. Step 11. Upload process and approval. Your video is now uploading. It may take a little time to process. At first, the status might show as pending, but don't worry, once it's reviewed and approved, it will be live for your audience to see. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your video to Mahfil Studio. Keep creating. Keep sharing. And most importantly, keep inspiring. Stay tuned for more tutorials and creator tips only on Mahfil Studio. Mahfil, for you, for futures.